Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder quality into a Poco X4 GT. First of all, open your settings, scroll down and go into additional settings option. Here choose screen recorder option, and first option in the list will be resolution and video quality. So if we tap on the resolution, we can change, for example, high, middle or low resolution, and if we tap video quality, we can customize, for example, 100 megabits. And for saving, for example, this option 100, tap and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.